Welcome to the screen capture tutorial of OBS, otherwise known as Open Broadcaster Software, and it's for the operating systems of Windows, Mac, and Linux, and is open source via GitHub if you want to make any contributions to it. So whenever you install the program, it will look like this when you first boot it up. It will be a little bit different as I do not have the vanilla version. I have stream elements, but it will look exactly the same. It's a great thing about OBS, you can have plugins to it. So in order to get video on this preview, you'll hit plus, window capture for browsers, video capture device for capture cards, game capture is for .exe files, and display capture is for the whole display, which is what we will use in this case, and it can be a safe option if you don't know which one to click. So it automatically default to display 1 as this is primary display, which is what we will use. Now in this case, I will disable the preview, but you don't have to because you're not screen capturing in OBS, which will go into an infinite loop like that. For mics, you'll hit this settings, properties, and you'll click your input device default if you want to use your Windows default device. Same thing for desktop audio, you'll hit this cog, properties, and you'll choose your output device or default if you want to use your Windows default output. I will re-enable preview, and in order to record with all of these set, you'll hit start recording. And in this case, you can see here that there will be a timer showing how long you're recorded, which is very useful in some cases if you want to hit a timeline or you want to go below a certain minute mark. So that's very important. It goes seconds, minutes, hours. So once you're done, you'll hit stop recording. And in order to find your file, you'll go to settings, output, and there's your recording path. So if you go to it, you will find a file that is timestamped November 24th, 2019. It will coordinate with your date that you recorded. Whenever you click it, you'll get a working file. So that is how you record and capture a screen with OBS. So thank you for watching.